Hey everyone, in this quick Google Sheets tutorial, I'll show you how to create a drop-down list, step by step. If this sounds helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. All right, let's get into it. First, select the cell where you want the drop-down menu to appear. Just click on it once. Now, look at the top menu and click on Data. Then from the drop-down, choose Data Validation. A panel will pop up on the right side of your screen. Next, click on Add Rule. Under Range, make sure it shows the correct cell you've selected. Now, under Criteria, choose the option that says Dropdown. You'll now see the space where you can enter your dropdown options. Go ahead and type your choices one by one. For example, yes, no, maybe, or whatever fits your needs. You can also change the color of each option to make things visually clear. If you want to add more options, just click Add another item. Once you're done setting it up, hit Done. Now head back to the cell you selected and you'll see the drop-down arrow. Click on it and your list will appear. You can now pick from the options, and of course, you can always go back to edit or update the list anytime. And that's it. Super easy. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more useful Google Sheets tips. Thanks for watching.